How to change country in Uber. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change Uber country. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to launch Uber application on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to your particular account. Once you land on home screen, tap on account option at bottom right corner of the screen. Now from top left corner select help option and now select account. You need to search for the option to change country or region. If it is not available, tap on I need to contact support. Simply scroll down and select that. In order to contact support, you have to enter your account name and your phone number including your country code. Toggle on the option and in the dialog box you need to type in I want to change my Uber country. You can add more details if needed and tap submit and Uber support will get back to you with future or further instruction. So that's it. Thanks for tuning in. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. We'll see you soon.